Well, hey kids, this is our last video. We're trying to make it so you can remember this stuff, but it's not easy to do when I only see you once a week. Here's the homework for the week, and I want you to turn it in all. It looks like a lot of problems, but most of these problems take you less than 10 seconds. So don't panic. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. By the way, that's a 94, not 99, so don't panic. But anyways, now we're going to do two-step problems, or they call it multi-step problems. Then next week we'll look at what if there's variables on both sides. That is tricky for students. That is many tricky. But here we go. So the first thing I want to do is get the x term by itself. So let's cover that up for a minute. What do I do to get rid of plus 1? What's the reverse operation of plus 1? Well, subtract 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. 1 minus 1 is 0, so just be 2x. 2x plus 0 is 2x. And 11 minus 1 is 10. Now, I don't want 1x. Start over. I don't want 2x. I want 1x. So what do I do both sides to turn to 1? Well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. But I have to do it to both sides, so x equals 5. So in my brain, I go 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So this one, I want to get the 3x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 6. So 3x equals 6. Divide by 3 to get a 1x, that'd be x equals 2. Boy, is that tricky. This one, I want to get the 4x by itself, so I'm going to, subtract 8. So 4x equals negative 20. Then I'm going to divide by 4. So x equals negative 5. So this one, oh, super tricky. Want to get the minus x by itself. Now, most people lose the minus, but be careful. So I'm going to subtract 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I want to get rid of the negative, so I'm going to take the opposite. So x equals negative 2. Here, I want to get the 1/2 x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 4. So 1/2 x equals 5. Now, I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, flip the fraction. So that'd be 2. So x equals 10. This one, oh, I threw a tricky one in here. Absolute value. Remember, absolute value means just turn it to positive once you simplified. So 6 minus 12 is negative 6. The absolute value negative 6 is 6. Woo, that was true. I put a lot in that one. Woo, that's like a next week problem. So get the 6x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 6. And then divide by 6. So x equals 0. Now, if you line up the equals, if you line up the equals, it tends to make fewer mistakes. See if you can figure out 7 and 8 for me right now and then turn me back on. So I need to simplify this. X plus 2x is 3x, plus 3x is 6x. And then get a 1 in front of the x. So I divide both sides by 6. Here I'm going to distribute the 2. We know how to do that. Then subtract 8. So 2x equals 2. Divide by 2, x equals 1. Wow, I put a lot in that. That was tricky. See me do number 9 on your lonesome. And then turn me back on. So subtract 10 from both sides. Divide by 5. So x equals 2. Oh my goodness. Simplify this first and then figure this one out. So, woo, I am making it difficult for you guys. 12 minus 24 is negative 12. Subtract 12. So 3x equals negative 24. So divide by 3. X equals negative 8. So subtract 4. So 2/3 x equals 4. Now, multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So I put a couple problems on this page. It's actually harder than this week. It's more like next week, tricky. But this is 1. 2 goes into 4 twice, times 3 is 6. Whoa! Goodness, we need to take a little nap after doing all those problems. That was tricky stuff. Now, I will put again on the Schoology, but that is the homework. And turn it in by Sunday. Well, if you're Monday, Tuesday class, just turn it by Wednesday night. And if you're Thursday, Friday class, you're supposed to turn it in by Friday. But again, I don't look at it till Sunday at noon. So if you get it there by Sunday at noon, it's still good. Have a good day.